Once you've made a crochet chain, you need to make stitches. The loop on your hook is not a chain. Under my left thumb, well, actually right next to my left thumb, this is the first chain. I'm going to skip it. In the next chain, I will go under both the front loop and the back loop, yarn over, pull that through this chain, yarn over, and pull through both loops. You'll repeat that all the way across the chain. Now that I've worked all the way across the chain, I'm going to turn my piece like so. And now I will chain one, and then I will go under both the front and back loops of that stitch, yarn over, pull that through the stitch, yarn over, pull through both loops, and then I'll work across. When I get to the end of this row, I'll turn and chain one and crochet another row, and you just keep repeating that.